Hey, my name's May, and today I'm going to be giving you a review of the Burt's Bees makeup products. Obviously, no sponsorships here, but I had tried the foundation and I wanted to see what other products they had available. So, I wanted to show you my opinions of these products. So, let's go ahead and get into it. But just a sec before we do, make sure you subscribe and hit the like button to let me know that you like the video, and leave a comment below if there's anything else you want me to do, or like other like video ideas you have or things you'd be interested in seeing. The first product that I was going to show you, this is the concealer, and I decided to try in the tone, it says 1745 deep, which it's a little vague there, but you know, I tried the cocoa and it did okay because it was it was also partially probably because it was a thin formula, and so it blended very well. So let me see. I'm gonna pair it with their foundation to see how this is how it looks overall, and also how it might look in a contour maybe too. But already this is looking very much not my skin tone. Oh yeah, that is quite light. I do like the little container though. This is kind of a lot, but it also is not a particularly thick formula. So I just kind of want to see how this blends. If I end up looking crazy, I end up looking crazy. It is what it is. Yeah, I could see this being a pretty decent highlight on my tone. I've been needing to update my highlighter for a while. Yeah, I'd say this is a pretty good match actually as a highlight. But actually, I don't hate it. The texture feels good. The product itself, it feels good. It's done a pretty good job of covering, in my opinion. Wow. Okay, well, I'm impressed. Let me see how it looks under the foundation. So for some reason, I had an issue finding my Burt's Bees foundation. I think I left it somewhere, but on the outside I have another one. This is actually the Fit Me brand. I guess it's from Maybelline, but it's at Walmart for like $3.50 or something. So I'm gonna use that as my foundation on top of this, just to see. When I saw this in a different lighting, it did kind of seem like this concealer is a teeny bit cold for me, but I can like easily fix that with less application. So, and also I have to see how this looks under my foundation too. And it does give me that little bit of highlight right there. Yeah, so I say if this is something that interests you, might as well give it a shot. Because I spent a certain amount, they gave me a free gift. When I got to their website, they gave me a free gift with my purchase. So this is the lip balm, which I prefer their lip balm actually because I feel like it actually moisturizes. It doesn't I don't feel like, okay, you know, a couple minutes later, my lips are chapped again. You know, sometimes just some brands don't work for me. This one does. Now I'm gonna try this blush that I got from them. And they had a color that I was like impressed by because like sometimes blushes will be in like just very saturated, very like bright colors. And this one is a little bit more, has a little bit of like brown into it. So I feel like it'll blend well on my skin tone. So this is in the color Velvet Wine with the Burt's Bees. And I'll leave a link to their website below. Again, I'm not an official affiliate, but it's just, if you're interested in this, it just makes it easy for you to find the website. That's it. Let me try this. And it does come in a cute little container. Very honeycomb. Oh, and they had that this is they make things that are with recycled content. That's nice. But here's the color up close. It's very kind of like a rhubarb color, and I like that. So let me see how this is gonna turn out on me. Yeah, that's some good pigmentation. Okay. I mean, I also wet down my brushes like I normally do, where I apply like a powdery kind of, that is some good pigmentation. I kind of like to put red around my face just because I have a lot of like deeper areas than the rest of my skin tone. So just for the sake of evening things out. And also kind of warm up my face a little bit. Okay, and I'm gonna blend this all right. I do like this blush color on me. It's kind of subtle, which I appreciate because I don't like, I don't like, again, we're not a fan of being clownish on this channel. There's a way to do a lot, and I feel like just like with blush is not part of the way to do a lot for me. Again, I'm gonna say that I like this. I like this, and I like this on my skin tone. And I think I like that these products have they have some variety, so you can mix and match them, and I feel like this is actually a pretty good line of products that anybody could try. I think these products have a lot of versatility in my opinion. So I like that about it. The last thing I got was this liquid lipstick in the color Sandy Seas. It's kind of like a pink brown color, and I'm hopeful for it. Yeah, this is like a very natural color. Well, I like that. I wonder if this is a little bright on me. I feel like this is a little bright. It's giving clownish. Honk honk. Hold on, maybe I put on too much. Okay, now this is a little better. I'm not a huge fan of when your lip tone ends up kind of looking adjacent to your skin tone, almost the same. So I feel like on me, this may not necessarily be the best compliment. I might see if my mom is interested in this one, but I think it's a good quality. I mean, because I tried to take it off and there's still some on here, so I feel it's a pretty good stay on the product. But I don't think I would use this for my whole lip. I might just two-tone lip. I might just use for the bottom and use a different tone on the top, and then try and mix and match or something, or use it as a complementary color. But as on its own, not sure if this is the color for me, but the formula feels pretty good. And it smells okay. It doesn't have a weird smell. So, well, anyway, that was the reviews for these. Let me know what you think. If you're interested in trying this brand, what do you think about Burt's Bees that was specifically just lip balm going into some other products? Let me know. I will catch you later.